Sentence stress is affected by the situation. In formal or careful speech, all the stressable content words tend to be stressed. Since stressed syllables take more time to say, stressing all the stressable words results in a slow speech tempo. In informal speech, where people tend to speak fast, however, some less important content words lose stress, resulting in fewer stresses in a sentence. Consider these sentences. John should fix his car before it breaks down.
John should fix his car before it breaks down.
John should fix his car before it breaks down.
John should fix his car before it breaks down.
The first sentence is slow and deliberate speech, while the second sentence is informal conversational speech. In general, the more words are stressed, the easier it is to hear all the words, and thus can be easier to understand the speech. Naturally, informal, fast speech can be hard to understand for non-native speakers due to fewer stressed words. For natives, however, too many stressed words can make the meaning of the speech ambiguous. By stressing only the most important words, native speakers can deliver the main message of the speech quickly and clearly. In the first sentence, John should fix his car before it breaks down. We cannot be sure which is the point. For example, is the point John instead of Bill? Fix instead of sell? Car instead of washing machine? And so on. The main message in the second sentence, however, is clear. John should fix his car before it breaks down. It is the car that needs to be fixed before it breaks down. We learn this aspect of stress for meaning, in Chapter 4 when we discuss the focus word.